Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the laptop store. Today we are unboxing something super exciting, the Dell Inspiron 14 Plus. This laptop promises power and portability, so let's get into it. Okay, here we go. First we got the laptop, wrapped with the nicely and safe. So let's take it out. Okay, in this box we have got the 65 watts charger and some paperwork too. So let's focus on good stuff. The Inspiron 14 Plus, got this sleek aluminum design and wow, it feels a way more premium and accept the price. The 14-inch display, it's 2.8K sharp and vibrant and the perfect watching movies and working on your projects. The keyboard is sleek and smooth with the touch feel and it's a backlight too, so no worries if you're typing in the dark. So I'm enjoying this. On the sides, you have got the solid selection ports, USB-C and USB-A and HDMI, and even SD card reader and even a headphone jack too. Super and versatile for all your gear. Under the hood, Intel Ultra 7, 16GB of RAM and 1TB SSD of storage. This thing is built for multitasking and media editing and even a light gaming too. Plus the Intel Iris Xe graphics will handle your everyday needs with ease. The battery wise, you're looking at the 12 hours off on full charge. The speakers are loud and clear thanks to Wave Max audio. All in all, the Dell Inspiron 14 Plus looks like a great all-around the laptop, powerful, portable and solid deal for the price. I can't wait to dive deeper into it. Let me know what you can think in comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in next video.